Once again, it is Reese Tafso back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about the updated ways of getting the subscribe button on Snapchat and also lens creating. Lens creating is something I learned about that can also help you gain the Snapchat subscribe button plus a verified account. Now let's get right into this. Alright, so first thing we're going to talk about is what is lens creating. Lens creating is whenever you create a filter or a type of, as said in the description, lens that is such like the dog face or a GIF that goes on the screen, something like that, fireworks that explode. This is something you can create by downloading the lens application, or I guess it would be software, on the Snapchat website. You go to the Snapchat website and you download it. Now, this is a free software. It's just something you have to learn how to do. With this being learned how to do, you can then learn how to manipulate everything and turn it into a cool lens, and then you can get your subscribe button and the gold star. You do have to apply for this, but you can apply for this on the Snapchat website for creators. You'll be able to find this by going to Snapchat Lens. You can find this by going to the Snapchat website and looking to apply. Once you apply, you just have to wait. And right now I'm waiting to get mine approved. Snapchat subscribe button also has some new ways of being, I guess, acquired. A way of getting the Snapchat subscribe button is having your stories sent around 20,000 times. So that may seem like a lot, but let's say you have 1,000 viewers. Each viewer would just have to send your story around 20 times to 20 different people. So let's say you post a story that says, send this to 10 friends if you love them. If all your viewers send them, or just some of your viewers send it to 10 friends, that's 20,000 people that you've been sent around to, and that helps you gain the subscribe button. The subscribe button is gained by becoming an account that's very popular and has a large audience. Now, to get the subscribe button is one thing, but then to get insights is another. When you get insights, that means you become a full creator account and that they won't take away your subscribe button. I right now just have the subscribe button, and it does sometimes get taken away. The next thing that happens after that is you start going on the Discover page. The Discover page causes you to gain lots and lots of traction. You get tons of views and tons of people watching your story. These people can then choose to subscribe to you. Once you get big enough to around 50,000 viewers or more, and you are a public figure, not just a meme page, you may get an email from Snapchat saying, do you want to become an official account, a verified account? Now, to get this email, you need to make sure that you're getting this amount of views in a short amount of time. Now, I haven't even gotten this, so I'm not even going to go into detail on how to do it, but I can tell you some of my friends how they did it, and I'll give you a brief description. To do it, basically, you just need to get big views, big short time, and then you'll be able to have it. This channel will be having more videos, more social media videos, and more tips and tricks on Snapchat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are excited for the upcoming videos. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and subscribe and like for more.